Hi friends, good morning. Myself Mr. V.R. Sanaf, lecturer in Mechanical Engineering Department of KKWA Polytechnic, Nasik. Today we are going to discuss about non-conventional machining processes. Especially we will discuss about abrasive jet machining. So this is the working principle diagram of abrasive jet machining. It consists of workpiece, then high velocity gas and abrasive particles through the nozzle, then standoff distance is there between the nozzle and workpiece. So abrasive jet machining is a process that removes the material from workpiece with the help of abrasive particles. The process consists of mixture of fine abrasive particles and gas at a high pressure. This stream of mixture is directed through a nozzle onto the work surface of the workpiece as shown in figure. The abrasive particles strike on workpiece at a high speed. As the particle impacts the surface, it causes a small fracture of the work surface which results in removal of metal. The gas stream carries both the abrasive particles and the fractured particles away. Next, this is the setup diagram of abrasive jet machining. It consists of hopper, mixing chamber, regulator, pressure gauge, then gas supply unit, vibrating device, hose, nozzle, regulator control valve for jet flow, then pressure gauge, abrasive jet, workpiece. So a typical setup of abrasive jet as shown in figure, the abrasive particles are held in the hopper through which it is fed into the mixing chamber. The regulator controls the flow of abrasive particles. Gas at high pressure is supplied to the mixing chamber through a pipeline. A pressure gauge and a regulator is incorporated in the pipeline to control the gas flow and its pressure. The mixing chamber carrying the abrasive particles is vibrated by a device, and the amplitude of these vibrations controls the flow of abrasive particles. These abrasive particles travel through the hose and enter into the nozzle. The control valve and the pressure gauge control the flow of abrasive particles. This outgoing high-speed stream that comes out of the nozzle is known as abrasive jet. When such jet strike on workpiece, the erosion caused by their impact enables the removal of metal. Then there are some process parameters, that is abrasive, gas carrier and nozzle. The first parameter, that is the abrasive material used is aluminum oxide or silicon carbide. The grain size is around of 25 micron. The shape of abrasive is generally spherical and the mass flow rate is 3 to 20 gram per minute. The second parameter, that is gas carrier. The type of gas used is air, nitrogen or carbon dioxide. The air density is 1.3 kg per meter cube and the flow rate is around 30 liter per minute. The next parameter, that is the nozzle. The nozzle is made up of tungsten carbide. Its shape is circular and its internal diameter is near about 0.3 to 0.5 mm. Sometimes it is in rectangular in shape. The tip distance is 0.25 to 15 mm. The operating angle is 60 degree to 90 degree to the surface and standoff distance is 0.5 to 5 mm. Then there are some advantages of this abrasive jet machining. The first is intricate cavities and holes of any shape can be easily machined. Then brittle material of thin section can be easily machined. Low initial investment is required. No direct contact of tool and workpiece. Amount of heat generated is not appreciable, and last, normally inaccessible portions can be machined with fairly good accuracy. Then there are some disadvantages. Low metal removal rate. Once used, abrasive particles cannot be reused. Not suitable for machining of ductile material. Relatively poor machining accuracy is there. There is a possibility of abrasive particles getting embedded in the work material. Hence, cleaning needs to be necessarily done after the operation. Then there are some applications of this system. Fine drilling and micro drilling can be possible by using this system. Then machining of semiconductors. Then it is used for frosting and upgrading of glass article. Then cleaning and cutting operations on material like germanium, silicon, quartz and mica. Machining of brittle material like glass, ceramics, refractories, etc. Thank you.